Welcome, my friends. We are studying mathematics, grade 6, this first term. We are for November models. This is model number 3. Let's get started. First question. Choose the correct answer. First point. 4 to power 2 equal what? I know power 2, this means 4 by itself 2 times 1, 2, 4, where 2 by 4 by 4. Okay, point 2, the value of the expression 2a plus 2 by 3 when a equal 3. That means I need to substitute a by 3. 2a, 2 by a value 3 plus 2 by 3, that's equal. We have multiply, addition, multiply. Start with multiply first. 2 by 3 equals 6 plus 2 by 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay. Point 3. If a plus 8 equals 15, then a equals what? Now we have equation. To solve this equation, I need to put a alone at the left side. Now, I have a plus 8 equal 15. Please send a to the other side. That means a equal 15. But when you move plus 8 to the other side, it will be minus 8. So a equals what? 15 minus 8 equals 7. Next point. The inequality that represents negative integers. Note with me, I have number line for integers. 0 in between positive integer and negative integer. I need an inequality represents the negative integer. That means after 0 or before 0 to the direction of the negative numbers. That means 0 is not positive nor negative, right? Okay, now the inequality will be x greater than 0. Of course not. Greater than, go to right. Okay, false. X less than 0 or less than or equal, no, equal, no, because 0 is not negative integer. So the right one is x less than 0. Point 5, the equation that represents the relationship subtract from 9. Subtract from 9, that means 9 minus a number. 9 minus what? Number as x. Right? Equals what? Equals y, the dependent variable. Okay? So, y equal x minus 9? No. Y equal 9 minus x. Point 6. Two integers whose sum is s. Not with me. Two integers, okay, whose sum, if I add them to each other, the result will be s, one of which is 10. One of them is 10. Okay, then the other number is what? Okay, he need to find the number here. Now, to find the value of this number as an equation, okay, it may be as x. Now, I need to find the value of x. X equal what? Now, remove what? Remove 10 to the other side. Here 10, positive or negative, any number without any sign here, it's positive. When I send it to the other side, it will be negative. Here, don't forget we have s. S minus, because it was plus, minus 10. I don't know s, but here s plus 10, s minus 10, yes, x equal s minus 10, and x indicated of the second number. Okay, last point here. If y to power 3 equals 64, then the value of y equal 2 or 4, 8 or 16. Now what's the mean of y power 3? That's mean y by y 3 times, right? What's the number? If I multiply it by itself 3 times, okay, equal 64. Try with me. 2 by 2 by 2 equal 8. 4 by 4 by 4. 4 by 4 equals 16. 16 by 4 equals 64. Note with me. 4 by 4 by 4. 4 by 4 equals 16. 16 by 4 equals 64. Now 4 is the right choose. Go to next. Second question, complete the following. Point number 1. If the side length of the square is s centimeter, then the perimeter of the square. I know that any square have s as side length. Okay, b as perimeter equal what? Equal 4s, 4 side, 4 by s. 4 by s, I can write it as 4s. Now, the equation here, okay, the parameter equal what? Equal 4s. Point number 2, 7 to power 2 equal what? Equal 7 by 7, 2 times. Point number 3, the inequality x less than 2 represents all values what? Yes, x less than 2. Yes, all values less than 2. Okay, last point, the rule is add 7. Add 7 to what? To a number as x. Add 7, okay. Note with me, and then after adding 7, I will multiply by what? By 2. Note with me, if you do it as x plus 7 by 2 without these parentheses, it's false. Okay, now add 7. I added 7 to a number x. Then parentheses multiply by 2. Okay? Okay. Now the equation is here I have mathematical expression x plus 7 by 2. Okay? Note with me. By 2 I can write it as first. Okay, equal, its equation must equal y as the independent or the dependent variable and x as the independent variable. Now our equation is y equal 2 by x plus 7. Now first I added 7, then multiplied the result by 2. Okay, give me the dependent variable. Now go to the third question, say problem. Okay, third question, say problems, say questions. Question number 1, from the opposite model. Okay, we have here scale. The equation is, what's the equation here? We have two pan. The first pan have 5x, so 5x equals the next pan 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 equal 10. This is the equation. Okay, now x equal what? We need to find the value of x. Note with me, I have an equation and I need to solve it. Now I have x here, but I have coefficient of x here. To get rid of this 5, just divide the both side by 5. Why? To get rid of this 5. because 5 over 5 would be 1. 10 over 5 2. Now x equal what? 1x, just x, equal just 2. Then the value of x equal 2. Point number 2. If Basim runs 8/10 kilometer every minute, every just 1 minute, write mathematical expression, not equation. That's one side. That expresses the number of kilometers that Basim runs in t minute. Note with me. At 1 minute, he runs 8/10 kilometer. At t minute, how many kilometer he runs? Note with me. Now, at t minute, he will run 8/10 by t. If I multiply the kilometers per 1 minute by the number of minutes, I get the total kilometer at this time. Maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes or what? Any number of minutes. Okay? Like if I hit t equal 5 minutes. Okay? Now, how kilometer? The number of kilometers equal 8/10 by 5 equal 8 by 5 equal 40 over 10. Don't forget. That's mean 4 kilometer. So after 5 minutes, he runs what? Around 4 kilometers. Point 3. Solve. 4x equal 24. That's me. What's the meaning of solve? Find the value of the variable. Where's variable? X. Not with me. I have 4x equal 24. So I need to get rid of this 4 by dividing by the same number coefficient over two sides. 4 by 4, 1. 24 by 4 equals 6. That's mean the value of x equal 6. Now this is our solution. Go to the next point, number 4. Point 4. Hussam buys 4 eggs for 6 pounds. Note with me this relation. 4 eggs for 6 pounds. Complete the following table. We have to complete this table where x represent number of egg. So x number of eggs and y the total price. Okay, this means 4 egg as x, 6 pound as y. Okay, now write the equation showing the relationship between the variable x and y, and then represent it what graphically. Now note with me, to complete this table I need to find the relationship between x and y. When x equal 1, y equal what? When x equal 2, y equal what? And so on. From here I can find out the relationship between number of eggs and the total price. Okay, I pay 6 pounds, right? As y. By what? To buy number 4 egg, right? Okay, now if I know the price of 1 egg times 4, the price of 1 egg times 4 will be 6 pounds. So here we have some variable here, not variable but unknown. There is number here multiplied by 4, I get x, 6, right? Okay, now what's the number? If I multiplied it by 4, I will get 6. Now I can say that 6 equal 4x. Now to find the value of x, divide both sides by 4. 4 by 4 equal 1. 6 by 4 equal what? Now I have here 1x equal. 6 by 4. Here we have 6 by 4. 6 contain how many 4? Just one 4. And it will remain 4 and 2 here. Okay? 4 over 4 equal 1. Point 2 over 4 equal half as 0.5. Okay? Again, we have here 6 over 4. I will divide 6 to 4 and 2. 4 by 4 equal 1. 4 over 4, sorry, equal 1. 2 over 4 over 1 over 2 equal 1 over 2 equal 2. That's 1 over 2 equal half. And half equals 0.5. Now the number is 1.5. Note with me, 1.5 what? 1.5 pound for just one egg. Okay, so 4 egg for 6 pound, but one egg, it will cost me 1.5 pound. Okay, and this is the first blank here. Okay, but that means if I buy one egg, I will pay 1.5, sorry. If I buy 2 egg, I will pay 2 price of 1 egg. 2 by 1.5, that means 3. If I buy 3, I will pay what? 3 by 1.5 equal 4.5. Because 3 by 1 equal 3. 3 by 5 by 0.5 equal 1.5. Now 3 by 1.5 will be 4.5. 6 by 1.5, I don't know, just multiply it. 15 by 6. 6 by 5 will be 30. Carry up 3. 6 by 1 equal 6 plus 3 equal 9. Don't forget we have here point. Now it's 9. Okay? Now I just complete the table. Next, write the equation. The equation is relation between y and x. Right? Y as dependent and x as independent variable. Now y equal blank x. Note with me. X equal 1. Right? Y equal what? 1 point x. Now put here 1 point x. Note with me. When x equal 1 by 1 point x, 1.5 equal 1.5. When x equal 2, 2 by 1.5 equal 3. When x equal 3, 3 by 1.5 equal 4.5. When x equal 6, 6 by 1.5 equal 9 as y. Now we find out the equation. Now last thing, I will graph this relationship between x here. Don't forget that x is number of what? Egg. And y pounds. Okay, now for egg I will use this table. I have 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x, and so on. Okay, for y, 1.5, 3, 4.5, 9. So I need what? I need 9 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, don't forget that we have 0.5. 0.5 as half. 1.5 between 1 and 2 as the middle between this space. Okay, now first one, x1, y 1.5. x1 here, but y-axis here, I have 1.5. That means as the middle between 1 and 2. Here we have 1.5. Okay, and here we have 1. So now go up from 1 here to meet 1.5 here. So it's the first point. Next point, 2 and 3. 2 at x-axis and 3 at y-axis. 3 and 4.5. 3 here and 1. 4.5 between 4 and here 4.5 with 3 of x 3 and 4.5. Last order pair, 6 and 9. 6 here and 9's here. Now use your ruler to draw the line, okay, and go up, okay. Also we can start it from 0 point, okay, and go up as you wish. Okay, now we graph our relationship or equation on the coordinate plane, okay, and now we reach the finished part of our model 3 for November revision. I wish you good time and thank you.